In this video, you'll learn how to change your ZipRecruiter account information, whether you've moved, updated your phone number, or just want your profile to better reflect your current skills and experience. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ZipRecruiter site for your region. In this case, we'll be using the Irish site, so type in the address for the Irish version and wait for the page to load. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you go any further. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your usual credentials so that your profile information is available to edit. Once you're on the home page and signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your name or an icon. Click on this profile drop down. This menu is where ZipRecruiter keeps all of your account and profile options, so it's the starting point for any changes you want to make to your information. From that drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Manage Profile. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to your main profile management page where you can update all the key details that employers see when they view your profile or your applications. On the profile page, you can now start changing your account information. Begin with the basics, your first name and last name. Make sure they're spelled correctly and match how you want to appear to employers. Next, update your location. This should reflect where you're currently based or the main area where you want to work. Keeping this accurate helps ZipRecruiter show you more relevant job listings. You can also update your phone number here. Enter a number where employers can reliably reach you and double check it for any typos. Then edit your professional headline. This is a short line that appears near your name and quickly tells employers who you are professionally, such as your role or main area of expertise. Think of it like a concise summary that makes a strong first impression. Below that, you'll usually see a section for a short bio and your CV or resume. Use the bio to briefly introduce your background, your key strengths, and what kind of roles you're looking for. Keep it clear and to the point, then upload your most recent CV. Make sure the file is up to date and formatted in a way that's easy to read, with your latest experience and skills included. Next, look for your location preferences. Here you can specify where you're willing to work, such as certain cities or regions, and sometimes whether you're open to remote work. Setting this correctly helps tailor the job matches you receive. Then, scroll to the sections for your online and social presence and your additional skills. Add links to any professional profiles or portfolios that support your job search and list skills that are relevant to the roles you want. This gives employers more context and evidence of your expertise. You'll also see areas where you can add your employment history, education, and any certifications you've earned. While these might take a little longer to fill out, they're important for making your profile complete and credible. When you're happy with all your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Update Profile button. Wait for the page to confirm that your changes have been saved. Once that's done, your updated ZipRecruiter account information is ready for employers to see.